is I've taken up the task of putting apples up there, and we're working with apples. I've gone and copied my little blueprint over here. Doesn't look so pretty just yet, but it just means that you need to have this function, which is the average function on price per kilogram. Okay, and then same thing for here, same thing for here, same thing for here and here, because these are all the price per kilograms. Okay, and then total consumption would be the sum of all the quantities. So if you're getting a zero value like that, change this column, format, number, let's make it a number. You should see a difference. This one's the wrong column. If we go back like this, you could say here. Helps to scroll the right way. Hold shift in, click here, click enter, and there's your volume. Okay, and you do the same for all of them, and then what you'll find is you get your total expenditure. This is a product of the total or the price average per kilogram multiplied by the quantity. You could do it different ways. You could actually just say, you could actually sum up the cost, I guess you could do over here. That would also work because this is a cost column, but I've opted for the product rule. If you're getting divos, it might be because of the type, this formatting number. And then, basically this over here is the moving average price per kilogram. That's the moving average because you've got average, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. And you then get the moving average across there. So you're creating an average of an average, which is a derivative. Yeah, it's a double derivative. I guess that's what I was saying, div. No, I don't know why, to be honest, but it's this is the moving average is a double derivative because this is an average, which is derivative, and then this is double. So this one just needs to be across all of here, and this one is your current market price, which you can find online. This generally should be less than what the moving average is, so make sure you're not looking at like premium websites for price points. What you can do is just go search up here and be like Joburg market, ask our daily prices, and you can search for them here. If you don't find it here, you can just go and search, let's say limes. Click enter, check out shopping, and then you can see it's about 30.95 cents for a kilo or half a kilo. Okay, and then once all these values are correct, you should actually get all the right answers here, which means if you're getting div here, you should double tap here, backspace, and you can literally just go like this. This is the slow method. There we go. Eventually we get there. Click enter. And there you go. For this one, I'm going to do a slightly different method. I'm going to say backspace here. Click here. Scroll quickly to the top. Shift, click there, press enter. And you'll see you've got your answer. Do not accept this because this is just carrying on. Certain cases that make sense, but not in this particular case. And as you can see, we're starting to get a meaningful price, a meaningful situation. So over the last 5 years, they've been 406% inefficient. Okay. I don't know why this is negative. It should be this one minus this one. Yeah, the price point here is wrong. So what is the price point for apples? Let's go have a look. So Joburg market daily prices. Let's do there, and you can search So you say Command F or Control F and then Apple. Should be right here. You say total kilograms sold and then the price point. So you might as well just say price points over here. I'm just going to copy it across so I don't make a mistake. To B. I don't know if this is going to work with all the spacing and whatnot. It's price divided by the total kilograms. Control copy, Control V, just enter. See, it doesn't work. So I'm just going to get rid of that. And there you go. So they've been 62% inefficient for the last 5 years. They would have saved 2,883 Rand with us. And that's before I've gone and changed all these values. So like that one's been changed. I think this one's been changed. Let me just see. Yeah, that one has changed. Double tap here. Scroll right to the top. Shift enter. There we go. 1624. Backspace. So it's processing a lot of data at once. Click on here. You can type it in manually if you want, but see what they're doing for 2021. Let's get straight to the top. Click there, shift, enter. Now you'll easily be able to tell whether the prices are more or less correct. Like 12.39 seems a bit low. So let's do this. Let's get that. Scroll to your right at the top. So this one. All the way down to here. Just enter. 12.39 is correct. Looks like all of these values are pretty cool. Just remember, if your values are not showing up here, then you need to go and change them up top. So for instance here, set format, number, that all of a sudden works. Format, number, and there you go. Okay. So let's get our average moving average price. That's a market price. That's the difference. They should have spent 4,700. This is incorrect for sure. Yeah, let's change that. Let's see here. Shift. Enter. This is not the right format. Number. Can't do that. Fortunately. I wonder. All right, there we go. So they're actually 65.7% out, which means they're paying, on average, almost 66% more than the market value. So you could offer them a 30% discount as a moving average, and they'd be quite happy, some bodies. Happy days.